Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's third video, we're going to go over Dogecoin. So Dogecoin right now is trading at 0.406, so around 40 cents itself. Taking a look on the weekly chart itself, we have seen a huge rally here for Doge, hitting as high as the 48 cents that we previously talked about yesterday. And kind of let me know down in the comments here if you are considering this candlestick as a hammer candlestick in the week that we are currently right now. Normally, we do want this wick to be substantially longer. That's kind of what I characterize as a hanging man candlestick shown in the photo that I'm showing you. Normally these guys are reversals, especially observed at the very top, but let me know what you guys think. In terms of the RSI here, we do see it is at 86%, so it's still considered as the overbought territory that may signal that the bullish momentum may be weakening depending on other factors as well. And the other factor that I want to point out here is the MACD indicator. I believe compared to our last video yesterday, the histogram itself has increased a little bit. I'm hoping that is the fact here, because in order to increase this bullish momentum, we do want to ideally hold above the 78% of the fib. Even if we don't and we do a correction on the downside, if we're able to hold at our golden ratio of 61% at 32 cents, that's still going to give us a small correction on the downside. It won't be as steep, and then we can continue to go upwards. So long as, again, we do hold the 61% of our fib, we're still good. We're going to have that strong momentum coming up and retesting that 48 cents. Heading over to the daily time frame, again, we have seen that recent high here of the 48 cents back on November 23rd, and we're kind of coming down to an area of consolidation within this rising channel itself. We have seen in the previous candlestick here a retest of our resistance at 43 cents here, or sorry, 42 cents. And this is going to be the next couple of days where we're going to kind of measure as to what Dogecoin has in store for us. Because if we're able to hold above 39 cents, we're going to retest the resistance of 42. Even if it's with these long wicks itself, we are going to be retesting this area of resistance. The only thing that we don't want to happen is the momentum itself kind of build on our MACD indicator. Now we do see these dark red colors itself, especially these histograms or these bars are getting bigger. That's something that we don't want to see, especially if we're retesting this area of resistance. If we do see tomorrow's candlestick and we do see the histogram getting darker in color and also bigger in size, then most likely this retest of this resistance is not going to happen. We do see the resistance or the RSI here at 62%. Again, still kind of neutral. It is angled upwards, so there is still room here for the price to come up depending on the size of the volume. And in this candlestick, we haven't really seen a whole lot, but the previous candlestick, we have seen a decrease of volume. Heading over to the immediate short term for 4 hours, we can see that Doge again is consolidating after a break above our trend line of our descending channel. We can see that we are closely on our moving averages here. Now, characteristics of moving averages, whenever we see them kind of angled going horizontally here, it is kind of showing us that the marketplace is consolidating, not really breaking out. Another thing here too, again, we can play in this consolidation range, is that we are holding on to certain areas of support. Is we're coming down to an area of support here at 39 cents, and then our immediate resistance here is at 41 cents. So until we're able to see immediate signs of breakage, either an uptrend or downtrend, the price for Doge in the 4-hour time frame is going to go sideways. So it's going to go up, it's going to go down until we see that. A good thing here that we have seen at that 4-hour time frame, right, especially near our area of support here, is we saw a cross above our RSI and our signal line. So that does kind of trigger a buy signal here, and we do see an uptick of our volume as well. One of the things too we're going to take a look at is our MACD indicator. In this 4-hour time frame, the MACD indicator size is relatively closer to the previous size that we saw going into our consolidation range. So just kind of be aware the resistance level and the support area here. But all kind of timelines here that we are going to experience is the price is kind of going to go sideways until we see that immediate break. So if we're able to hold on to support of our 20 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, we're going to come up and retest this area of resistance. If not, we get rejected, then watch out for that area of support of 39 cents. That kind of wraps up my video for today for Doge. I'm going to do one more video on Solana, so stick around for that, but I'll see you guys later. Bye.